Hello, prijatelji! Today we will make some chakalaka. So, it's a South African dish made with beans. Let's start.
Like with all good recipes, we're first gonna chop an onion. Then we're gonna use some fresh paprika. The best way to open a paprika is just to press the stem in and then crack it open. This way we can easily remove the stem without any loss of our good paprika, because we wanna save money. While I'm chopping the paprika, I wanna talk to you friends. It's a great experience cooking for you here on YouTube, and thank you for your warm comments. My channel is still pretty small and I'm gonna need your help. If you like my recipes so far, I would be grateful if you could recommend my channel to your friends and family. Help me in the growing process. And if you haven't done so, you can help me even by just pressing the subscribe button. By the way, this way you'll get notified when I upload awesome new dishes. So, thank you, and let's move on with the cooking, shall we? Alright, next we're gonna peel and grate some carrots. I ended up using only 2 carrots, because 3 was way too much, but we can snack the remaining one. Now we're gonna roughly dice 2 tomatoes. We're also gonna use the 3 cloves of garlic, so we just smack them. This way the peel will fall off easily, then just slice it finely, and we're gonna mince it. And for the ginger, we're gonna use a teaspoon, scrape off the outer skin, and like the garlic, we're just gonna slice it and mince it. Now we can start off with the cooking. So into a big pan we're gonna add some oil, and also we're gonna add our onions and paprika. We're also gonna add some salt to get the moisture out. When the onions are nice and glossy, we can add the rest of our ingredients. Then we're gonna stir everything and add our spices. We're gonna add half a teaspoon of thyme, 1 teaspoon of cayenne, 2 teaspoons of ground turmeric, 1 teaspoon of paprika, roughly 1 teaspoon of pepper, 1 whole lime. Also we're gonna add 1 can of beans. I'm just gonna use regular white beans. And then we're gonna stir everything. When it's all nice combined, let it simmer for 5 minutes and it's done. That's what I like about this dish. It's super easy and it's super healthy.
So guys, I hope you like this recipe, and if so, hit the like button. See you next time.